Meaning of giveaway.
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 Giveaway. The term giveaway generally refers to a promotional activity where a company or individual gives away something for free to its customers or audience. Giveaways are usually used as a marketing strategy to generate buzz around a product or service or to incentivize potential customers to sign up or make a purchase. The goal of a giveaway is to increase brand awareness, drive engagement, and foster customer loyalty. Giveaways can come in many forms, such as free samples, limited-time offers, or contests. Ultimately, giveaways serve as a cost-effective way for businesses to attract new customers and retain existing ones.